Hey friends, if the Intel graphics card driver keeps crashing on your Windows system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure, the resolutions. First of all, before anything else, simply update the driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for display adapters, right click on the uh, drivers and update them. Okay, so this is one thing. The second thing is that you can download the driver from the manufacturer's website. I'll tell you why. Because the manufacturer's drivers are the latest ones, and Intel and Microsoft pick them up later. So, if I have an Asus computer, I'll search for Asus drivers. Now, if you have a Dell computer, you can search for Dell drivers or HP drivers or Lenovo drivers. It depends upon the situation. But since I have an Asus computer, I'll go to the Asus Download Center website. Similarly, you can go to Dell or HP or Lenovo's website. So, type your model number. The procedure is same for all brands. Okay, mine is FA507RE, so I'll search for it. Click on driver and tools, and then wait for the page to load. It usually needs a while to load. And once it loads, you can go to the driver and tools tab, and then you can scroll down, and then find the graphics driver. Click on download for the graphics driver, and finally click on open to open the graphics card driver. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.